Hey y'all, Bubba the Redneck here. You ever been in the middle of typing a really long text message when all of a sudden you realize that several words back you made a really bad typo, and you gotta go back and fix it. You can't send it like that, So you try moving the cursor and it don't move the way that it used to. But you gotta go fix this. How am I gonna move the cursor? What do I do? What will I do? Whoa! Relax there, Bubba Breath. There's two ways you can move your cursor and go back and fix your typo or your uh-oh. See, come on, I'll show you how. Come on! The first way, all you gotta do is touch and hold inside the message box, and this little magnifier bubble will pop up. And then you can just move the cursor right to where you need to move it to. And then you can backspace the letter out, put in the letter you need to put in. And the other way, you just long touch on the space bar, and then once again, you can move the cursor wherever you need to move it to. Backspace out, put in the letter you need to put in, and look at there. Now we're finally ready to send this text message. Well, hopefully now you're a master at moving your cursor around on your iPhone. So won't you take it and move it down there to the like button and hit it one time, or hit it twice, hit it 3 times if you want to. See ya.